back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly and I am joined today with my daughter
Stella,
who used to do videos with me and hasn't been in a video in a long time. So welcome back, buddy. This is a very good time because Stella's birthday is
in 2 days.
in 2 days. So we thought it would be a really good idea to draw a birthday cake.
And if you're wondering what number I'm gonna turn 7 years old.
7 years old. So work at your own pace, pause as you need, and let's get going. Okay. The first thing we're going to do is draw the top of the cake, which is an oval. Then draw the sides of the cake, making sure the sides are the same length. Now let's make the icing drip over the top. So I vary the sides of them. They get like a larger ball at the bottom, and then they get thin as they come up and come down into a larger circle. Curve the line at the bottom of the cake so it matches the top of the cake, and the same thing if you put filling in the middle. Curve that line so all those lines match each other. Now I'll add another oval, which is like the plate that it sits on. And I did just a couple more little lines inside that. Now let's do the candles. These are like rectangles, but round out the top and the bottom. You can put 7, you can put however many you like. I just put 4 across, and then you can erase the lines where the cake shows because we wouldn't be able to see through them. I even added some lines inside the candle just for decoration. So you can make these curved like the shape of the candle. And then one little line at the top represents the wick and a teardrop for the flame. I have a little squiggly line to represent the smoke that comes off the candles. And now we're ready to color. Your drawings will always get way cooler when you add shading, so find a few colors to use throughout. If you have whatever color frosting, find a way to make it darker and lighter in areas. Well, that's a wrap. Let's see what you got, Stella. Show us your birthday cake.
There it is.
Stella did a wonderful drawing. Nicely outlined it. Remember, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Come back, draw with us again. Happy birthday to Stella and happy birthday to anybody else out there.
Bye-bye.
We'll see you again. Bye.